Hello everyone. Today, everything seems normal on the familiar path I still go to work every day, but then, in just one snap, everything changed completely. I could not realize what had just happened, only heard a strong collision and then a painful scream. That moment, a cold feeling spread throughout my body. I understand that the accident is not only a problem, but also a wake-up scene for all of us. Just one careless second, everything can be lost forever. From today, everyone be more careful on all roads because not everyone is lucky to be redone from the beginning. We always think that traffic accidents come from external factors, a driving car, a slippery road, or an unexpected technical error. But ask yourself, is it really the main cause? Or from your carelessness? How many times do you ignore the safety rules? How many times do we despise our lives and others, just for a few seconds in a hurry? Remember, the accident does not occur on your own. It is a direct consequence from our actions. And if you don't change this mindset today, will you be sure you won't have to pay for the future in the future? It is unacceptable. The girl may violate the traffic law, but that does not mean that she has to endure disrespectful and insults from those responsible for law enforcement. How could she take the reason she was wrong to justify such photography and touch? The dog is trying to take advantage of his strong teeth to destroy the red car. Driving like a hero in the film and suddenly being invited by a pothole from hell. It is dangerous to walk on the wheels falling out of the car and freely rolled on the road. Why did the car choose to confront instead of slow, choosing to keep it safe? Did he lose control or have any other reasons? At the intersection, he did not slow down, and then an unfortunate collision occurred. He used his car to block the other two cars. It is great. Thank you for accompanying us to the end of the video. If you find this content useful and interesting, do not forget to click like to support us. And hey, please subscribe to the channel with the notification bell to not miss any new videos. We are committed to bringing you high quality and extremely attractive content in the future. Again, thank you very much and see you again in the next videos.